In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to create a new user. Creating a new user is required for gaining access to the ETTEO portal. Please keep in mind during the demonstration, creating a new user will not give individual access to the ETTEO mobile app. To create a new user, click on Settings, select User Management, click the Add New User sign, and complete each line.